Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're all doing good. As we all know that we are taking a new lesson that is called Robinson Crusoe, unit number 3. And I hope you have read all the word meanings and the given story, which is quite interesting. So let's move to our today's lesson planner. According to our today's lesson plan, we have part B and part C today that we need to complete, page 33 and 34. So let's start from part B, question number 1, which is completing the given the given sentences. The first part of the sentences are given in question number 1. What you need to do is to complete the rest of the part of the sentence. फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस आपको गिवन है, आपने क्या करना है, सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस जो है उसको सॉल्व करना है, खुद लिखना है. So you can either use your own examples or you can either write these ones, okay? So let's start from the first one. Every day I brought dash. Every day I brought many dresses. हर रोज़ मैं न्यू ड्रेसेस खरीदती हूँ. One day I set out to explore the jungle. एक दिन मैं जंगल को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए निकली. I collected a quantity of berries. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा berries को collect किया. I picked up the pile of books. मैंने pile of books को उठाया, बहुत ज़्यादा books उठाई. I grew a number of crops because मैंने number of crops को grew किया. Why? Because I wanted to sell them. Next is suddenly I saw the ship sinking. अचानक मैंने एक ship को डूबते हुए देखा. So these were the first part of the sentences, and you need to complete the second part of the sentences by yourself, okay? Let's move to question number 2. Some of the words are given and you need to use your dictionary to find the meanings of the given words. For example, the words are hurricane, tornado, stockade, fort, mast, pole, island, islet, resolved, solved, pistol, rifle. So these are the words given and you need to use your internet or your dictionary to find the meanings of the words. If there will be any issue, there will be any confusion, then the answers will be attached with your lesson planners, okay? No need to worry about that. Now let's move to part C, question number 1 and question number 2, which are related to the adverbs. I hope that you all know what are adverbs. So what are adverbs? Adverbs are basically those words that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So adverbs basically tells you how something is done, when something is done, or where something is done. So these are the adverbs. For example, some words that are telling you how the action is being performed, or when the action is being performed. If I say she is writing quickly, so the word quickly is adverb because it tells us that how she is writing. Fortunately, hastily, pleasantly, hard, high, early, and late. Okay, all of them are given adverbs, and you need to change them into comparative degree and the superlative degree, which are mostly known as the first form of the verb, second form of the verbs, and third form of the verb. Okay, let's see what are the given answers. First of all, in part A, quickly, so what will be the subcomparative degree? More quickly, and the superlative degree? Most quickly. So what you're going to do, you will use more and most in some of the adverbs which cannot be changed into er and est. Fortunately, hastily, and pleasantly. Before changing the adverbs, you should know the meanings of them. क्विकली का क्या मतलब होता है कि जल्दी से, बहुत तेज़. फॉर्चुनेटली का मतलब होता है किस्मती से. हैस्टली का भी मतलब होता है जल्दी से. प्लेजेंटली मीन्स बहुत खुशी से, ठीक है, या अच्छे तरीके से. लेट्स सी. क्विकली, मोर क्विकली, मोस्ट क्विकली. फॉर्चुनेटली, मोर फॉर्चुनेटली, मोस्ट फॉर्चुनेटली. हैस्टली, मोर हैस्टली, मोस्ट हैस्टली. Pleasantly, more pleasantly, most pleasantly. Let's move to part C, question number 2. Some of the other adverbs are given: hard, high, early, and late. Okay, let's change them into the comparative and superlative forms. That means the second form of verb and the third form of verb. As we all know that hard will change into harder and hardest. High, higher, highest. early, earlier, earliest, late, later, latest. Okay, so this is the way how we are going to change the given adverbs into the comparative degree and the superlative degree.